Hello, so welcome back to Pancake Philippines. So today our tutorial is about combining and uncombining shop or pages dito sa ating POS. So you can visit pos.pancake.ph. You can log in using your account, yung Facebook account na ginamit nyo sa Pancake. Yun yung connected dito sa POS, and then this will be the dashboard. Lalabas lahat ng shop or Facebook pages or businesses na meron kayo. So here, what is the difference? So makikita natin this one Instagram, Facebook, but the others we can see na naka-shop siya. Ayan. So ang difference dito is the shop is an account inside the POS. The Facebook naman is the official business page natin. So we can add a shop. You just type in the name. So for example, so you just put a shop name here and then add, or e-com, yan, retail shop. So you just click and add. So andito na siya. So how do we combine? So it is important na mayroon tayong ganitong feature dito sa Pancake kasi if we wanted to synchronize or centralize all our orders, the product inventory in one warehouse, in all the incoming orders from these pages or business pages that we have. So here, this is the difference. We can see here, ito yung isa sa mga combined pages na meron ako as an example. So link FB page and Instagram. So here, so how do we do that? How do we merge it? So we just click combine page. Yan, we just need to select and click update. So I will try combine a page, and then the test page and the Pancake Philippines. And shops are being merged into a combined one. This process may take a few minutes depending on the data. So here makikita natin dyan, ito, nag-update siya. So later on we will wait or we will refresh the page. So we can also go in another POS at pancake.ph and see if there is. So ito na siya. These are the combined shop already, the test page and the Pancake Philippines that I showed you earlier. So you can wait for it to update, or you can open a new POS.pancake. You can also refresh para lumabas siya. So here, combined na yung mga information na meron tayo dito. It's just easy as, ayan, click mo lang yung combined page and select the pages. So please take note here, product ID, the order ID could be changed when trying to merge this store into another existing one. So each page can only be linked to a shop. So when detaching a page out of a combined shop, yung mga existing orders na meron tayo, for example, from Pancake Philippines, will not be transferred to the detached shop. So for example, we change the name to dito, Combi Store 1. And I changed the name. So when you detach this one or uncombined, ang sinasabi dito is yung existing orders dito sa shop will not be transferred. So magstay lang siya dito sa Combi Store 1. So we can also merge another store. inside. So just click here and update. Ayan. So ito na siya, ganyan siya how it looks like. So meron tayong combination ng different stores. So dito is the combined details, no, or the order. So how do we uncombine naman these pages? So we need to go again to the POS, and then we just need to click uncombine here. So we just need to remove. Ayan.